so much for meeting me at such short notice. I just learned about hormones today and I'm so confused.
Well, first off, do you know what a hormone is?
That's the thing that makes you want to do premarital stuff, right?
What?
Just kidding. Hormones are chemical messengers released into the blood to be transported throughout the body's tissue or cells. It stimulates or inhibits metabolic activity of the body, right?
That's right, Sunshine Sunflower. Do you know the types of receptors that those hormones bind to?
Well, that's what I'm confused about. Talk to it.
Don't worry, by the end of this session you'll have it all figured out. There are 3 types of hormone receptors that we're going to talk about. The first are called membrane receptors. In this process, the ligand or hormone binds to an integral protein, which is a protein that communicates with its outside environment, forming the ligand receptor complex. Once this happens, an intracellular response is formed, creating a cascade effect on the proteins within the cell, causing the cell to perform a specific function.
Oh my goodness. It all makes sense to me now.
The second is called the coupled receptor. Do you understand how that one works?
Yes. While some hormones can directly bind to intracellular receptors, others are hydrophilic and need to find their way into the plasma membrane to their target cells using the second messengers, which relay information from the first messenger to the hormone in the cell. The process begins with the hormone when the hormone binds to a hormone receptor in a target cell, causing the G protein to transform from GP to GTP, making the G protein in an active state. The activated alpha subunit releases its beta and gamma and binds to the adrenal cyclus, converting ATP into cyclic AMP, which can act directly or indirectly through activation of proteins within a cell.
Wow, I'm impressed. Are you sure your name is Sunshine Sunflower and not Albert Einstein?
Well, if I were Albert Einstein, I would know how steroid receptors work, but I have trouble understanding that process.
Aw, cheer up, it's easy. Let me teach you. Aldosterone is lipid-soluble hormone and can easily diffuse through a plasma membrane of a cell. Once it has done that, aldosterone binds to aldosterone receptors in cytoplasm, forming the aldosterone receptor complex. This complex moves into the nucleus and binds to DNA, stimulating the synthesis of messenger RNA. The mRNA moves from the nucleus to cytoplasm and binds to ribosomes, where it directs protein synthesis. These proteins produce the cell's response to aldosterone.